Over my example for the outline for the speech template. So you're going to put your name, the top of your speech, and then the date of your presentation, which we will talk about then. If you're remote, then you just have to email it to me by the due date, which I will communicate to you. So the first thing that you should do is the introduction. So I just put a general sentence here. Your outline should not be packed with text because this is just to guide you throughout your speech. So a sentence is fine, and then you can add on to it with your own words. So each part has to have an A and a B. So if you have an A, you have to have a B. And if you wanted to expand even more on the thing that is in A, so I here for my introduction, I said English usually requires students to read very boring books. To expand on that, I had to put an enter and a tab, and it came up with the 1. If you have a 1, you needed 2. So basically, you have to have pairs here. So you always have to have an A and a B. If your A has a 1, it has to have a 2. If you have any questions on this, ask. So then I have 2 little facts here, and then my second fact here, and then 2 things to support that. Then I go on to my first main point. Here, I do not have any 1s or 2s, but you can certainly have more information just to expand on that. I have my second point, and you guys can follow along with this. This is on Blend. Third point, fourth point. So these are all the things that I have to cover. So maybe whenever I'm making flashcards or my presentation, a visual aid, something like that, I'll include parts of this. You can also use this as your guide whenever you are doing your speech, but you just cannot read right off of it. So this is just to highlight the main things. And then this is also for me. So whenever I am watching your speech or I'm looking at you present your speech in person, I can check off, okay, yeah, they hit that point, they hit that point. And then if you do miss one of these major points, I can be like, oh, okay, well, they meant to talk about that. I won't take off as many points because it's in the outline. So that's just kind of a guide for you. If you have any questions, please email me. We can set up a Zoom. We can do whatever you need to get you on track. You're taking your information out of your research paper, so this should not be super difficult. The hardest part of this is going to be narrowing down what you use in your outline and what you discard from your research paper. So good luck, and if you have any questions, let me know.